Techno update. Subscribe now.
Umidigi S2 Pro Review. Design. The devices are world's first full metal bezel-less phone with 98% metal-to-body ratio. It has 195 design version interaction. Adding on to design and structure, it has 100 plus strict CNC cutting and 120 plus PBT nano molding, which seems quite cool and looks. The best is 8.8mm slim body. It has amazing symmetric design, and the body of the phone is crazily balanced one for offering the best performance to users. Display. The device is 6.0 inches full-screen smartphone display with a ratio of 18:9, which is almost 90% screen-to-body ratio. The visible screen is 5.5 inches in size with 4th Corning Gorilla Glass 4. The display is sharp and famous Japan One, which covers wider viewing area. If we compare it to iPhone 7 Plus, then it 14x wider. The phone isn't like other big 6 inches phone. This one is quite neat and handy, whose display fits in hands and lets you have the experience of the big screen. Camera. Never to fail on the best part. It offers amazing triple-type camera of Sony's IMX258 sensor. The device has the dual rear camera, 13.0 MP plus 5.0 MP and 5.0 MP front camera. The S2 Pro even offers 16 MP perfect selfie front camera. Whether we look on to capture a picture or a video, it gives stabilized images. The video quality we have is of resolution 4K in S2 Pro. No matter whichever mode we are trying to capture in. Low lights are issue as always. However, the camera doesn't really suck on photos with flash, but front camera and back in low lights might not satisfy you. The videography experience from the device is quite cool if we talk about capturing the action. Processor. Here is the point where two identical phones differ from each other. The Umidigi S2 comes up with LPDDR3 RAM of 4GB and the Helio P20 SoC, which clocks at 2.3 GHz, whereas the S2 Pro has LPDDR4X 6GB of RAM and P25 chip with 64-bit octa-core processor, which runs at 2.6 GHz. The slight difference is for the people who are way too conscious about dual-channel RAM and processing things. Both the product are too worthy in their price range. Talking about the identical processing, it has Mali T880 MP2 GPU for graphics, which runs at 900 MHz. The working of both the phones shows no dissimilarities in first look and usage. If we go on deep on the very minor technical and build specification, then one may be surely able to understand and reasons behind it, as it ultimately depends on person-to-person use. Battery. Let's have a look at the unique feature which differs these two phones from others. The battery life provided is 5100 mAh, which can last easily 2 days and 20 days standby time. The company claims of usage of 10 hours of gaming sessions, 34 FHD episodes of TV series, browse 120 news headlines, etc. The battery requires just 30 minutes charge to keep that lasting for a day and 150 minutes to get complete 100% charge. Which is too fast if we compare it to the charging time of other smartphones.